Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial from letslux.co.ke, a website where businesses or entrepreneurs in Kenya go for marketing guides. So today I want to show you how to pay for Facebook ads in Kenya using M-Pesa or an ATM card. So just spoiler alert, Facebook now accepts direct M-Pesa deposit. So yeah, I just learned that, so I'm so excited to show you guys how to use it. So just to mention, I wrote an article on the same on how to pay for Facebook ads in Kenya, and it contains screenshots. So I think I'll be updating it. Maybe by the time you're watching this video, I'll have updated the article just to reflect the new changes. So previously, the way you would pay with M-Pesa was by linking your PayPal to your M-Pesa account. So apparently Facebook only accepted by then either the PAN cards, that's either the credit or the debit, and PayPal. So the only way you could use your M-Pesa to pay for Facebook ads in Kenya was by linking it with your PayPal account. Actually, at that time, Safaricom had partnered with PayPal, so there was this M-Pesa PayPal service. So you would just deposit money directly to your PayPal account and then use your PayPal to pay for your ads. Now it was a little bit hard. Now in this tutorial I'll show you how to pay directly with your M-Pesa. Yeah, that's something new, and as I said, I'm really excited to show you. So if you wish to read or you don't have time, you can continue watching this video, and if you feel like there's something you didn't get, I'll leave the link to the article in the description below. To add your card or to pay for your ads, that's if you're new, you'd go to facebook.com/ads manager. Yeah, then this way you will land. So once you're here, just click on your left, all tools, then click on this one, billing. So this should take you to your billing, your payment activity. So if you already have some activity in your account, you may see some numbers right here, but for now this is a new account, this is a demo account anyway. To add your payment, click on payment settings. Or I should mention, if you have more than one ad account, you can select right here, and they will appear right here if you have more than one. Yeah, so maybe if you have three, there will be three listed here. So just click on the one you want to use to pay for your ads. So for now I have only one, that's why you're not seeing any list right there. Now to pay for your ads, click right here on add payment, then choose the, so you see this wasn't there, this is new. Yeah, and I'll be showing you how to use it. So click on debit card if you want to use your credit card, then click next, then provide the name of your card, then the card number, the month and the year expiry, and then the CVV is so you just it's on the back of your card, so you just click provide it here and click save. That's how you use your card, your bank card, either your credit or your debit. So basically the debit is just essentially the ATM card. So normally I always use my Equity Bank ATM card. Now the exciting part, how to use M-Pesa to pay for your ads. So you follow the same process, and then you come and click here on M-Pesa, then click add funds, specify the amount. For example, maybe you want to add 1,000, 2,000 or 3,000, any amount you want to add to your account, and then you provide the number right here, then click pay. So when you click the pay button, the pop-up will come from, there will be a pop-up in your phone. After completing the transactions, the amount will appear right here, prepaid balance. You can see for now it's 00 because I don't have any, I haven't added it in yet. Yeah, but I'm really excited to show you this, and for now that's all about the tutorial. Thank you guys for checking it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.